Crude oil and gas both traded bullish for the day. We have recommended to buy oil at 77.2 and expect it to move towards 77.8. 78 was the target. It has gone close to it. While net gas is also now seen 1.81 levels. So what to expect today from oil and gas? How to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates. First update I always release with the Asia and Europe session. This is the second update. Also like, share and comment. Your every action matters and motivates me to deliver to the best of my abilities. And do join the Telegram channel if you have not joined the channel memberships here on YouTube. Do join the channel memberships here as well. Let's start first oil followed with gas. Watch till the If you look at the early charts, you'll find this is the one bullish candle, then sideways movement, then another bullish candle. Now it is trying to retrace, and you can find out whenever it is retraced, it is always tried to find the support. It's the 20 period moving average. Thus, we have to now wait for it to break below 76.8 zone, which is going to be a support zone, and then below that 76.5, 76.4. If these two levels are taken, then you can say crude oil is turned bearish, and we will look forward to 76 and below levels. Else, what is happening right now? After a strong bullish candle, it is retracing, and then another bullish candle or series of bullish candle may appear. The stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bullish looking upwards, RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, it is showing signs of a retracement here. Possibility for it to move towards 77, 76.8 zone exist, and in worst case 76.5 should be there. Right now it appears a little retracement cannot be denied. The stochastic was overbought, it is trying to cool down. MACD is in green, trading with very little divergence. RSI is overbought. Coming to 3 hour chart. Now look at 3 hour chart. See, 77 was a stronger resistance, 77, 77.2. It has breached this, it has moved on the upside. Remember, preceding candle was the first bullish candle. I will wait for the second bullish candle as well. So on the hourly charts, yes, there is a retracement, but before the 3 hour candle closes, possibility of a rise exists, which means in the last candle there should be a rise on the hourly charts. So be watchful here, and on the upside, 78 is something I will be looking forward to. In fact, beyond 78, there is a stronger rally which can be expected here in oil. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. MACD is trying to converge crossover. A crossover here can lead to bullishness. Right now, if you look at a V-shaped recovery, and a crossover here can lead to bullishness, but it is not in a move to crossover. That is what I am looking at. RSI rising near to overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, likewise, clear cut, this is the channel here. The highs at somewhere around 77, 78 zone, and below on the downside 76.8, 77 zone. Very, very good support exists here. And on the downside, it has to break below 76 levels, 76.5, 76 levels in order to confirm a reversal here. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are certainly trading bullish. Stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is in green. It is trading with very little divergence, and it has still little scope, though I will see this as a V-shaped recovery, and a crossover here can lead to the reversal. RSI back to overbought levels. Coming to the daily. Before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and profitable trends as well. Register yourself now. Reach out to me. Also, if you want to join just a signals channel on Telegram, you can ping me up on Telegram or write an email for any of your queries. And do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, or do visit my platform FOREX or dark for markets related data, and also if you need any consultation or guidance. Now look at the daily chart. See, one must note first of all, preceding candle has bigger tail and a smaller body. The body size almost $0.50 and the tail size almost $1. Now the day started in green, it has already achieved, or it has the potential to achieve further highs, because see, what does the preceding candle suggest? That the prices failed to stay bearish and it has got a pullback, and that is why we can see it coming upside. Now on the upside, 78 is something which I will wait for it to break. If it does stay above 78 levels, you can treat this as a breakout on the upside, where I'll be looking forward to the next target at 79, 79.2, and then $80 levels. Look at the moving averages crossing over here, certainly signs of bullishness, and this could be a symmetrical move where you will almost identical body size, that is $0.50. That is what I'll be looking at, and the bigger wick, so it can try to move above 78 as well. The stochastic is overbought. That is where I am looking at, because it is getting overbought and it has to pull back, but right now it is not showing any signs of it. Look at MACD, divergent bullish, just 3 candles a week. It can continue. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the chart, I will now recommend you to buy at 77.6 levels, and beyond which we can look over to 78, 78.1 as the first target, and then 78.5 as the next. If it stays beyond this, more bullish momentum may prevail. Just keep trailing towards 79.2 and $80 levels. And on the downside, only selling entry today is there at 77, but then you have to wait for it to break first 76.8, very strong support, and then 76.5, 76.4 zone. If these two levels are taken, then the bearishness will increase, and then it will try to move towards 76 and below levels, chances for which appears to be less. Thus, you have to trail. If you're taking a sell entry, you have to strictly trail your stop losses. Take your positions accordingly. Now, let's have a look at natural. See, nat gas today, after the sharp drop, it has retraced towards 1.81 levels, failed to stay above this zone. I have mentioned in my earlier update today that 1.8, 1.82 is the zone. It needs to break, and beyond which we can look forward to 1.8486 levels. Right now it is falling shy of it. It is reversing again. We have to wait again. If it drops below 1.76, that is the time you can consider this as bearish. The stochastic is dropping a bit. MACD is still in green. RSI is comfortable. Coming to 2-hour charts, see, on the 2-hour charts, the move is very simple for gas. Just strike the 20-period moving average and reverse. Right now, it has gone close to 20-period moving average. It has not yet achieved it, which is right now sitting at around 1.82. Yes, 1.82 is the next milestone. So yes, if you see the lower price is above 1.8, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 1.82 plus levels. But looking at a reversal sign, it appears that it is trying to trade with a bearish bias. After little retracement, it is trying to look downwards again. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish looking upwards. RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, consolidation zone. We have to wait for it to break beyond 1.882 zone, and then we can look forward to a rise towards 1.8586. The stochastic rising. MACD has crossed over here at bottom, trying to trade with divergence. It could look upwards and move upwards, but not showing much strength as of now. RSI coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, look at the movement here. Very simple movement, nothing extraordinary. Gas is trying to do drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, retracement, retracement. Beautifully, it is trying to converge a bit and then continue to trade bearish. The similar observation is what we can see here as well. It is retraced, and a drop here below 1.76 is where bearish will take over for 1.74 and 1.7 levels. Stochastic rising from the oversold, interestingly crossing over here from the bottom levels, can lead to a little pullback. RSI is oversold. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. Preceding candle has already filled the gap here, and it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. The highs at around 1.8586. The lows are towards 1.72 levels here. Thus, a selling entry at 1.76 and a buying entry at 1.8. On the upside, be careful at around 1.82, and if it breaks beyond 1.82 this time, we are looking forward to 1.8586 as the next targets. And if it breaks beyond 1.8586, remember one point: natural gas on the upside has to break beyond 1.9 in order to confirm a reversal. As long as 1.9 is not taken, do not treat net gas as reverse, or do not treat net gas as bullish. On the downside, a selling entry here can be taken at 1.76, but then 1.74 is the first support level, then 1.772 zone will be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Do reach out to me for any of your queries. Write an email or ping me on Telegram. And do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and watch the next update before the Asia and Europe session. It sets the direction for the day. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.